Hi guys, I have a package. I'm not certain where this package is from. Nothing in my tracker says it's here. So I have a guess, but I have to open it up to see if my guess is right. I just don't know. Nothing says it's supposed to be here today. So let's see what we got. I went back and I looked. This is from the AliExpress 11/11 sale. I'm certain of that. But, yeah, that stuff's starting to roll in. But it didn't tell me it was rolling today. Yeah, okay. It is what I think it is, anyhow. So it's two small special drill paintings, and they're from the Star store. Star. And they're both like $3 and some change. They weren't expensive. And they're both special drills. So let me show you what we have. My dog is sitting over here whining at the door. I don't know why she's whining, but she's whining. So, wow, they got this puppy taped and everything else. They don't want you to get it out. Okay, so here's the first one. It's a 30 by 40, and it is a Christmas stocking. I might cut this one out and then drill it and put it on something else. I might do that. It's got 17 different shapes and colors and whatnot. This wouldn't be too hard to cut out. Just cut it out and then put it on something else instead of having all that plain white background. I've done that before. This one wouldn't be bad. You could do that with that one. I might do that. Basic toolkit. There you go. Everything you need, right? And then our drills. Special shapes. Special. Dog is just over here freaking out, and I don't know why. So we got some baggies, and then we got the strip. So let's look at the strip first. We've got gold. Wants to focus on something else. My new camera. New phone. Oh, come on. Seriously. It still wants to focus on that. Let's try that again. Okay, now I'm going to be annoyed. But it won't focus. Okay. Not focusing. Let's see. Are there any buttons I can hit here or touch to make it do something different? Oh, look at there. There we go. That worked. Some button needed to be clicked. It's a new phone, folks. Purple. Orange. Blue. Light blue. Green. Pink. Pinky orange. Silver. The blue ABs. Some reds. And some green faceted. And we have our special ones, our little white pearls and gold stars and these champagne teardrops and silver marquees and some red marquees. It's pretty. It's part of my Christmas thing. I got a bunch of Christmas stuff. All right, there's that. I'm glad I figured out that focus thing. That was like driving me crazy. All right, let's look out. Check out this one. If we can figure out where it opens. If we can figure it out. Another special drill. All right. 30 by 40 again. Same toolkit with the addition of black tweezers. You guys have got a whole big view of life here. Wow. Huh. Interesting. I have to play with that a little more. All right. So here's this one. This has a ton to drill on it. Look at them. Are they cute or what? So cute. These little puppy dogs. Oh my goodness. Love them. The two puppies. Lots going on there. 18 different colors. Yeah. I have to play with this phone a little bit more because it's like got you at some wide angle now, but that's all I could do to get it to focus. I don't know. Got two little buttons here on the screen. One is like trees close up and one is the forest. Hang on, I'm gonna play with this for a second. Okay, let's go trees, close up trees. Oh, close up trees, there you go. That's where I thought I had you, the close up trees. But then the close up trees wouldn't show you the drills. So maybe I have to switch to the far away trees to show you the drills. No, that's focusing too. I don't know what its problem is. Green, blue. The joys of a new phone. It was driving me crazy. Pretty purple, pink, orange, gold. I don't know, some kind of a champagne color and a pinker champagne color. Then we have pretty red, gray kind of color, black drills, gold. Ooh, these are beautiful. Those are gorgeous. They look more green to my eye than they do on camera. They look more blue for you, but they're gorgeous. Then we have a package of white ABs. I hope you can see these close enough. They're right up close and personal. Those are cobalt blue all day long. Cobalt blue. Champagne. Now look, now it doesn't want to focus. Oh, there it goes. And some red marquees. Gorgeous, gorgeous. How cute is that? You know me and special drills. I love them, love them, love them. So, there's the puppy dogs and the Christmas stocking. Aren't they cute? Cute, cute, cute. Well, I can go mark those off as received, even though they never showed up on my tracker. I don't even know where they're supposed to be right now. But there they are on my counter. Sometimes you just never know. Anyhow, you guys, that's a couple cute ones. Oh, this is from that same company I got Christmas ones from, I think. Because, you know, a lot of these companies are just drop ship. They just order from someplace and then just ship, you know. But these are like my Christmas ones were from the same company. They had that same emblem on the bottom. Anyhow, there you have it, guys. Just a short one. Cute stuff. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in the next video. So I'm going to show you one I finished. I finished the little puppy dogs. Aren't they cute? They are so cute. There was a lot to drill on this one, not only in rhinestones, but in special shapes as well. There was just a lot. When I first started doing their noses and they were white, I was like, I don't know about the white noses, but you know what? They've grown on me. They're okay. I took this to the hospital the day that my mom had surgery. Look at the leaves. I'm just going to show you some details. And look at the leaves. Look at the flowers in their hair. Everything's so cute. My brother was there. He'd never really seen me work on any. And he was like, wow, every single one you put on one by one. I'm like, yes. He's like, that's pretty cool. He just watched for a while. He's like, how much are you going to get done? I'm like, I don't know. We'll see. I got about, I don't know, half of it done that first day at the hospital. And then I finished it up the next day when I was visiting her. But yeah, aren't they cute? All right, so I have another one that's just one dog. And I want to do that one up so I have the set. I think I have some kitties too, but we'll see. I just wanted to see what this one looked like all finished up. It's just too cute. And the sparkle is just amazing. Love the bones. The bones are so cute. And the flowers are really pretty. So there you go, you guys. That one's finished. Wanted to share it with you. I'm done now. All right? So I'll see you next time.